Hello student, today we continue with our lesson number 3rd. Now our topic is forms. Now what do you mean by forms? Forms are used to check each record of given table one by one. It helps people not familiar with Access to deal with the data in table. There are 4 different methods to create form. First is form command, second is split form, third is form wizard, and fourth is data sheet. Now let's see our first form using form command. Now here I am creating student detail table and create one query using them. Now how to create form using form command? First of all, you have to click on create menu, then you can see here form command from group. Now click on form. Now you can see our form is created. You can see here roll number, name, city and state. In form, roll number, name, city and state, but here one record will be shown. Now I want to show second record, so you can click here. So you can see second record, third record, fourth record and fifth record. Now go into the first record. You can also format this form using design tab. Just go into the design tab. You may change the themes, colors, font and all other things like add picture, add document. Now you can also change color of this field. Go into the format menu and you can see I am click on color. So roll number color is red. Now suppose I want to change name color, so you can select one of color yellow. So you can see here. Suppose I want to change this color. See. So you can change form layout using format menu and design menu also. Now our second option is use of split form. Click on create menu and you can see more forms. In forms group, click on more form drop down and you can see split form option. Click on. Now see here. Now our cursor will be on first record. Now suppose I am click on third record, so here you can see our data will be changed in our form. See, I am click on fifth record. Here you can see fifth record, first record, second record, third record. Now our third form option is use of form wizard. Now go into the query. Now go into the create menu and you can see here form wizard option. Click on form wizard. Now here suppose I want to see roll number and name. I don't show city and state in my forms, so here you can select roll number and name, then next. Now here 4 option is there: columnar, tabular, data sheet and justify. Now suppose I want to show in tabular form. Click on tabular and next. Here you can give title and finish. So you can see roll number and name, only roll number and name for all record. Now you can go any of them by clicking on each roll number. Now our next topic is report. What do you mean by report? Reports are the way to produce the data stored in database and table in printed form. We can generate the report in two ways. First is use of report command and second is use of report wizard. Now we can see first option, use of report command. Now first of all, go into the create menu. You can see here report option. Click on reports from reports group. Now a report screen will be open along with that 4 new tabs, that is design, arrange, format and page setup. Now go into the design menu. You can, in design tab, we may change the view of the report in the view group. We may set theme, color and font in the theme group. There are many other options under the design tab like add image, add document, checkbox, password, hyperlink. Now in the format group, you may choose the particular field name and change around the text formatting of that field. You may also set background image to the report. Suppose I want to change color of name, you can change here. So you can see color of name will be changed. Suppose city color may be changed like blue. So city color is blue and state color also red. So you can see color of change. You can change background image by click on background image. In page setup group, we may see various command. We may set margin to the page containing the report. And you can set page layout group. In page layout group, we can set portrait and landscape of the report. See, this is landscape and this is portrait. Now suppose you want to check your report will look like when you give print command. So you can just go into the design tab and view option. In view option, you can see print preview. So you can see this is your print preview screen or view. Now close print preview. Now our second option in report is report wizard. You can just go into the create menu and you can see here report wizard option. Click on report wizard option. Now suppose I want to show only name and roll number and click on next. After selecting the desired field for the report, click on the next. Here in this dialog box, you can set the sorting order of the record for report. Suppose I may like to sort on name in descending order and then next. Here you can select the layout of report. I may like tabular form, then finish. So you can see our data will be in descending order because we select descending order on name. So here you can see our data will be in descending order and I am save of this file for future use. Here you can click on close. Now student detail query. Now last topic is printing of report. We may print the report that we get as long as the printer is installed in the computer system. We may see the print command in the print preview tab. Just go into the create tab. Click on File tab and you can see here print option. Now print preview, you can see our data will be seen in print preview. Now suppose I want to print this, so I click on print and OK. So your data will be printed on paper. Now cancel, close print preview option. I hope you all are understand reports and forms in MS Access. In next video we can see our lesson number 5, that is HTML. Thank you for watching this video.